If you don't like using a compass but still need perfect circles, then grab your steel ruler and follow along. Let's dive right in. First up, precision scoring for clean cuts. Align your ruler, score with a blade, and voila, clean edges every time. Next, scribe perfect circles without a compass. Punch a hole, anchor with a pin, and draw away. Need quick angles? Use your ruler with a protractor for instant accuracy. And for those tricky depths, just insert and mark. Easy peasy. Finally, evenly spaced lines and perfect center finding, your ruler's got you covered. Who knew a steel ruler could be so versatile? Try these hacks today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Keep creating and stay inspired. In this chapter, we'll explore advanced techniques for using a steel ruler. First, let's look at how to measure and mark precise increments. Use the ruler's markings to measure exact distances and mark them with a pencil. This ensures accuracy in your projects. Next, we'll demonstrate how to use the ruler as a straight edge for drawing long, straight lines. Simply align the ruler with your desired path and draw along its edge. This is especially useful for creating guidelines in woodworking or drafting. Finally, we'll cover how to use the ruler to create perfect right angles. Place the ruler along one edge of your material and use a square to draw a perpendicular line. This technique is essential for ensuring your projects are square and true. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, mastering these advanced techniques will elevate your craft. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more pro tips and hacks. Keep creating and stay inspired. In this chapter, we'll dive into some creative uses for a steel ruler. First, we'll show you how to use the ruler to create intricate patterns. By combining straight lines and angles, you can design unique geometric shapes. This technique is perfect for artists and designers looking to add a touch of precision to their work. Next, we'll demonstrate how to use the ruler as a guide for cutting materials. Whether you're using a utility knife or a saw, the ruler helps you make straight, clean cuts. This is especially useful for DIY projects and crafting, where accuracy can make a big difference in the final result. Finally, we'll explore how to use the ruler for spacing and alignment. This is particularly useful in graphic design and layout work, where precise spacing is crucial. By using the ruler to measure and align your elements, you can create professional-looking designs with ease. Whether you're working on a creative project or a practical task, these techniques will help you get the most out of your steel ruler. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more innovative tips and tricks. Keep creating and stay inspired. In this chapter, we'll focus on maintenance and care for your steel ruler. First, we'll discuss how to clean your ruler to keep it in top condition. Use a soft cloth and mild detergent to remove any dirt or residue. Next, we'll cover how to store your ruler to prevent damage. Keep it in a protective case or hang it on a wall to avoid bending or scratching. Finally, we'll talk about how to check your ruler for accuracy. Over time, rulers can become worn or damaged, so it's important to periodically check that the markings are still precise. By following these simple maintenance tips, you can ensure your steel ruler remains a reliable tool for all your projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more innovative tips and tricks. Keep creating and stay inspired. In this chapter, we'll share some expert tips for getting the most out of your steel ruler. First, we'll show you how to use the ruler in combination with other tools, such as a square or a protractor, to achieve even greater precision. Next, we'll demonstrate how to use the ruler for measuring and marking curves. By bending the ruler slightly, you can create smooth, consistent curves. Finally, we'll cover how to use the ruler for transferring measurements. This is particularly useful when working on large projects where you need to replicate measurements across different pieces of material. By integrating these expert tips into your routine, you'll find your steel ruler to be an even more versatile and indispensable tool. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more innovative tips and tricks. Keep creating and stay inspired. In this chapter, we'll explore some unconventional uses for a steel ruler. First, we'll show you how to use the ruler as a makeshift compass for drawing large circles. Simply anchor one end of the ruler and rotate it around the center point. Next, we'll demonstrate how to use the ruler as a lever for lifting or prying small objects. The sturdy construction of the steel ruler makes it ideal for this purpose. Finally, we'll cover how to use the ruler as a straight edge for cutting fabric. This is particularly useful for sewing and quilting projects where precise cuts are essential. By thinking outside the box, you can discover even more ways to make your steel ruler an invaluable tool in your DIY projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more innovative tips and tricks. Keep creating and stay inspired. In this chapter, we'll explore the different types of rulers available and their specific uses and advantages. First, let's talk about wooden rulers. Wooden rulers are often found in classrooms and are great for quick measurements and drawing straight lines. Their natural texture provides a good grip, and they are less likely to slip on paper compared to plastic rulers. However, they may not be as durable or precise as their metal counterparts. Next, we have plastic rulers. These are lightweight, affordable, and come in a variety of colors and designs. Plastic rulers are perfect for standard measurements and are often used by students and hobbyists. However, they can become brittle over time and may warp under heat or pressure. Lastly, let's discuss flexible rulers. Made from materials like flexible plastic or rubber, these rulers can bend and curve, making them ideal for measuring curved surfaces or creating arcs. They are particularly useful in crafts, sewing, and design work where non-linear measurements are required. Each type of ruler has its own unique advantages, so choosing the right one depends on your specific needs and projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Keep creating and stay inspired. In this chapter, we're introducing another essential measuring tool, the measuring tape. Measuring tapes are incredibly versatile and widely used in various fields, from construction and carpentry to sewing and interior design. Unlike steel rulers, which are rigid and straight, measuring tapes are flexible and can easily measure longer distances and curved surfaces. Measuring tapes come in a variety of lengths, typically ranging from a few feet to over 100 feet, making them ideal for large-scale projects. They often feature a retractable design, allowing for convenient storage and easy use. Additionally, many measuring tapes include both metric and imperial units, providing versatility for different measurement needs. One of the key differences between steel rulers and measuring tapes is their application. Steel rulers are perfect for precise small-scale measurements and drawing straight lines, while measuring tapes excel in scenarios where flexibility and longer measurements are required. For instance, when measuring the dimensions of a room, a measuring tape is the go-to tool, whereas a steel ruler would be more suitable for detailed woodworking or metalworking tasks. Ultimately, the choice between a steel ruler and a measuring tape depends on the specific requirements of your project. Both tools have their unique strengths and are indispensable in their own right. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Keep creating and stay inspired. In this chapter, we delve into another essential tool for precise measurements, digital calipers. Digital calipers are highly accurate instruments used to measure the distance between two opposite sides of an object. They are commonly used in professional settings such as engineering, metalworking, and woodworking, where precision is paramount. Unlike traditional calipers, digital calipers feature an electronic display that provides instant, easy-to-read measurements. This eliminates the guesswork and potential errors associated with reading analog scales. Digital calipers can measure internal and external dimensions as well as depths, with remarkable accuracy, often to within 1/100th of a millimeter. To use digital calipers, simply close the jaws around the object you wish to measure, and the digital readout will display the measurement. Many digital calipers also offer the convenience of switching between metric and imperial units at the touch of a button, making them versatile for various measurement needs. In professional settings, digital calipers are invaluable for tasks such as quality control, where even the smallest discrepancies can affect the overall integrity of a project. Their precision ensures that components fit together perfectly, which is crucial in fields like manufacturing and engineering. If you're serious about achieving the highest level of accuracy in your measurements, investing in a good set of digital calipers is a must. They combine the reliability of traditional calipers with the convenience and precision of modern technology. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Keep creating and stay inspired. In this chapter, we'll explore the benefits of using laser distance measurers for large-scale measurements. Laser distance measurers are advanced tools that provide precise measurements over long distances with the push of a button. These devices use laser technology to accurately calculate distances, making them invaluable in fields such as construction and interior design. One of the key benefits of laser distance measurers is their ability to measure long distances quickly and accurately. Unlike traditional measuring tapes, which can be cumbersome and prone to sagging or stretching, laser distance measurers provide instant, reliable results. This makes them ideal for tasks such as measuring room dimensions, determining ceiling heights, or calculating the distance between 2 points on a construction site. In construction, laser distance measurers are used to ensure the accuracy of building layouts, verify distances for materials, and assist in site planning. For example, a construction manager might use a laser distance measurer to confirm the placement of walls, windows, and doors, ensuring that everything aligns perfectly with the architectural plans. Interior designers also benefit from the precision of laser distance measurers. When planning a room layout or selecting furniture, accurate measurements are crucial. A laser distance measurer allows designers to quickly gather the dimensions they need, helping them create functional and aesthetically pleasing spaces. Whether it's measuring the length of a wall for a custom bookshelf, or determining the height of a ceiling for a chandelier, laser distance measurers provide the accuracy needed for detailed design work. Overall, laser distance measurers are a powerful tool for anyone who needs to take precise measurements over long distances. They offer a level of accuracy and convenience that traditional measuring tools simply can't match. Whether you're working on a construction project or designing an interior space, A laser distance measurer can help you achieve professional results with ease. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Keep creating and stay inspired. Welcome back. Let's take a moment to summarize the key points we've discussed in this video. We've delved into the world of measuring tools, starting with expert hacks and advanced techniques for using steel rulers. We explored creative and unconventional uses, as well as the importance of maintenance and care for your steel ruler. We then moved on to other essential measuring tools, including different types of rulers, measuring tapes, digital calipers, and laser distance measurers. Each tool has its unique applications and benefits, whether you're working on a small DIY project or a large-scale construction task. To further enhance your understanding and skills, we've compiled a list of additional resources for you. Check the description below for links to online tutorials, detailed guides, and product recommendations. These resources will help you get the most out of your measuring tools and achieve professional-level results in your projects. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of measuring tools. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Keep creating and stay inspired. In this chapter, we'll wrap up with some final thoughts and additional resources. First, let's recap the key points covered in the previous chapters. From expert hacks and advanced techniques to creative and unconventional uses, we've explored how a steel ruler can be an incredibly versatile tool in your DIY toolkit. Next, here are some recommendations for other tools and accessories that can enhance your use of a steel ruler. Consider investing in a quality cutting mat, a set of precision knives, and a reliable marking tool to complement your steel ruler and make your projects even more precise and efficient. Finally, we've gathered some links to online tutorials and resources where you can learn more about using a steel ruler. Check the description below for these valuable resources. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Keep creating and stay inspired.